This is a story about the transformation of a state that began in the early 20th century, a half-century after the Civil War, and a quarter-century before World War II.
We're part of everything that you look around at. You don't necessarily see it, but we're there in everything that makes Georgia what it is today.
This is a story about the people, companies, products, and technology that built Georgia's landmarks, cities, roads, and communities.
Yancey Brothers was here before there was a Caterpillar. Yancey Brothers supplied equipment and supplies to contractors before we became a Caterpillar dealer. So I think Caterpillar and Yancey is just synonymous.
This is a story about a business present throughout Georgia's transformation that has stood the test of time.
I think celebrating our 100th anniversary is just so dynamic. It's very rare.
One of the unique things about working for a company that's 100 years old is that it's older than everyone on the team. It was here before any of us were here. It will be here when all of us are gone. And so you're really carrying on a tradition that was started generations ago.
But this story is more than that. It's a story that starts with a vision and a passion shared by two brothers.
I think it was always interesting to me to hear the original story of Earl and Goodloe Yancey and their vision that we still follow today, and then that's gone on for 100 years.
I think it starts with the family itself. It's a family-owned dealership. It's gone now in its fourth generations.
I think it's taking care of the customers, plain and simple. I mean, that's why we're here. That's the reason we've been in business for 100 years.
Well, it's mostly we trust Caterpillar and Yancey Brothers because of the service level they provide us.
It's a story about a business that grew with the support of its communities and its state. A business that, together with its people and its customers, helped build Georgia.
You don't necessarily see it, but we're there in everything that makes Georgia what it is today.
You know, it's an exciting theme. We Build Georgia means that we're a part of helping our customers be successful.
This is the story of Yancey Brothers. We build Georgia. Yancey Hardware Company started in 1914 when brothers Goodloe and Earl Yancey opened up a shop on Peachtree Street in downtown Atlanta.
When Yancey Brothers started out, it was two guys and a truck selling hardware and whatever else their customers wanted, and their customers were county commissioners.
When they first started, they sold picks and shovels and old striped convict suits and things that prisons could use.
They became the first U.S. dealer to sell the Adams Mule Grader, a mule-powered predecessor of today's motor grader. Then in 1918, the brothers learned about Holt's Model 45. Holt said no to the Yancey brothers' first request to become a dealer in the Southeast. But when they sold all of Holt's inventory of the Model 45 tractor using only a photograph, Holt had a change of heart.
And a year later, they went back, and the people at the management of Holt gave them a contract to be a dealer in, I think, 4 southeastern states. So that was, to me, a turning point to become a Caterpillar dealer.
In 1925, Holt merged with Best Tractor Company to become the Caterpillar Tractor Company. Records at Caterpillar's corporate offices in Peoria indicate that, quote, Yancey Brothers is the nation's oldest Caterpillar dealer. Caterpillar is recognized worldwide as the premier heavy equipment brand and the world's leading supplier of mining, construction, and forestry equipment, and of power solutions. In Georgia, Yancey Brothers and CAT are synonymous.
When we say we build Georgia, we don't mean Yancey Brothers builds Georgia. It's our customers that have built Georgia, and we've been privileged to support them while they did it.
There's probably 100 stories. I've got a private owner. He operates the business. He's the owner, but his dad works for him, his brother works for him, and his nephew works for him. And he's all CAT, and he's proud of the fact that he started the business, didn't have any equipment, went into business, bought a couple used Cat machines, and now he's grown to about an 8-machine fleet that are all Cat.
You feel very proud when you're riding down the road and you see a construction project going on, and you can look out and identify that equipment belongs to this customer, and you know who it is, and you know what they're building, and you feel good about it.
You know, you don't stay in business for 100 years doing it wrong. You stay in business 100 years doing it right.
Tells me that the customer's entrusted us to take care of his needs, and that's what it's all about.
We have absolutely hands down the best product that is available in the industry, but just as important is we have the best people in the industry as well. And we really have a team approach all the way starting from our sales team to our project managers to our service department, all the way up through our upper management. We have incredible levels of support from all groups within our company.
No other dealer provides us with the level of support we have from all aspects of equipment ownership, from purchasing to repairs. Yancey brings all that to the table.
So the relationship with Yancey, I mean, it's been many years. I mean, it's probably 15 years old. It not only touches here in Atlanta in protection of systems and things, and like I said, I sleep a lot better at night as a CIO, protecting all these facilities worldwide, knowing that Yancey's around.
4 generations have led Yancey Brothers. Goodloe Yancey founded the company. His nephew Don took over as president in 1959. Don's brother, Goodloe III, took the helm in 1974. And in 1994, Jim Stevenson, the son-in-law of past President Don Yancey, became the company's chief executive officer.
I think it's just the culture of the company that has evolved from day one. Don's been able to maintain it, I've been able to maintain it, Jim Stevenson's been able to maintain it.
And it started when I came here with Goodloe Yancey III. He cared about the people, and it hurt him if people left the company, and he was always good to the people.
It's people who are going to feel good at the end of the day if they got an opportunity to help somebody.
It's there that he also made us a promise. We would see 100 years in this company and as this family, but I'll never forget that moment.
Well, it just means stability. You know, if as an employee, having Yancey Brothers be in existence, owned by the same people for 100 years, gives me a great sense of pride and makes me feel stable.
I think that we've made the cut and been able to be around for 100 years because we've put the customer first. And we truly want to become their partner, and we want them to be successful first rather than us be successful first.
Superior customer service and the superior customer experience to Yancey Brothers means that when a customer does come to us with a need, that we take care of them to our fullest extent.
You know, our customer relationships that we have, that's the other key part of being able to work closely with them, so that their partner, Yancey Brothers, can open up to them and come to a successful solution for them.
The company has endured with a dedicated team.
When you're talking about a Yancey employee, you're talking about individuals that really come in with a goal every day of customer service and the safety. Safety is so important at Yancey Brothers.
I worked for Yancey Brothers for 7 years.
I've worked for Yancey Brothers for actually 15 years this month.
I worked for Yancey Brothers for 28 years.
And I worked for him 7 years.
So, 41 years.
I've been at Yancey Brothers now for about 27 years.
I have been with Yancey Brothers 30 years.
I've worked for Yancey 33 years and about 6 months now.
I came to work with Yancey Brothers in 1970 and retired in 2009. So I worked here 39 years.
I worked for Yancey Brothers for 42 years.
I worked at Yancey Brothers 48 years and 8 months to the day.
49 years, I'll be 50 in February.
The Yancey Brothers family is a committed team, and that team's vision is to be a trusted partner to its customers.
A loving group. It was just a close-knit group, and I just valued that, and And anytime that anything happened, they was behind you. They had your back.
You have to feel it as you do your own family, really. Having been here, my only job, it was my family.
Who better understands the needs of families than a family-owned company?
And it just gives a lot of pride knowing that you're a part of that, not only for the people who've built it, before you, but things that you've helped contribute along the way.
Yancey's team works to be the industry leader.
There is no better in my book. We represent the #1 piece of equipment, and in my opinion, we've got the best product support and part service that there is out there, bar none.
Our vision statement is to be a trusted partner, to have a committed team, and to be a market leader. And our mission statement every day is to serve, solve, and succeed, to serve our customers and solve their problems so that they can succeed in their business.
It comes from the top. We have that instilled by Jim Stevenson now, that he instills the values of the people that work here to extend that down to the customer.
We firmly believe in our mission to serve, solve, and succeed, and we try to do that every day.
We're fortunate at Yancey Brothers to be standing on the shoulders of all of the employees who have gone before us for the past 100 years, ensuring that the company gets stronger every day and that it can continue to serve our customers for the next century.
Yancey Brothers' story is far from over.
The people on your team, your employees, or the customers, or the folks who bring you your products through Caterpillar and Bluebird and International, having the trust and confidence of those people, earning the trust and confidence of those people is the key. It's all about the people. That'll be true 100 years from today too.
For this to continue to be a family-owned business, for all of the employees to continue to grow within themselves, to help the company as a whole.
Just a happy day. Happy day to see that Yancey made it to the 100th year. And to know that I was part of it. Yeah.
I wish Yancey on the 100th anniversary to commit to progress. Always commit to that.
If everyone could truly appreciate what they've accomplished.
Yeah, I guess as we get ready to celebrate our 100th anniversary, would hope the legacy of Goodloe and Earl Yancey continues on for maybe another 100 of that, because I think it's been rewarding for the employees of Yancey Brothers, and I think it's been very beneficial to the growth of Georgia.
My wish is that the company employees would continue to do what they're doing today and attempt to do it better.
Just to continue to grow beyond where we were before.
Attract and maintain loyal employees, because it's been a good place to work. So you would hope that Caterpillar would always keep that edge. They would always have the support for Yancey Brothers that they've had in the past.
My birthday wish for Yancey is that we'd have another 100 years, that our company would grow, and that our employees would be prosperous, and that our customers, most importantly, would keep considering Yancey for all their Caterpillar needs.
It's always been about delivering the highest quality equipment in the world with unmatched support to customers who are building Georgia. Our success has always been for 100 years about their success, and that will be true 100 years from now.
My 100th anniversary birthday wish for Yancey Brothers is that every member of the Yancey family today will be here with us the rest of their career, feeling good about how they're coming to work the next day.
As our customers' trusted partner, we build the cities where you live and the buildings where you work. We help build the landmarks that leave you in awe. We keep the lights on when you need electricity to work or play. But we couldn't serve you without our committed team, our employees. We wouldn't be here without our trusted partners, our customers. We're Yancey Brothers, and together with you, we build Georgia.